Carpet Doctor Roy, he's the one to call. For all your carpet needs, he fix it all. From scratches to choose, he's a pro with flair. Stares through the floor, he shows that he cares. Specialist skills with a personal touch. Pet damage fix, thank you so much. From cat scratches deep to doggy choose wide, Roy's got the tools to turn back the tide. Repairing your carpets, making them right. Carpet Doctor Roy, he's our guiding light. He'll stretch and tuck, make it look brand new. Your carpet's revival, that's what he'll do. With every repair, confidence restored. Roy's the carpet savior that we all adore. So call him up, don't wait too late. Carpet Doctor Roy, he's truly first rate. From cat scratches deep to doggy choose wide, Roy's got the tools to turn back the tide. Repairing your carpets, making them right. Carpet Doctor Roy, he's our guiding light. Carpet Doctor Roy, he's our guiding light. Every cat mess, he's a superhero. Call Carpet Doctor Roy for a carpet glow. Carpet Doctor Roy, Carpet Doctor Roy, Carpet Doctor Roy, he's our guiding light.
Stretchy stretch.
Restretch Roy.